Hello everyone, we are from St. George's Girls' School. The title of our project is Oil Entrapment, which is clearly focusing in water pollution due to oil from food left over and cooking utensils, which is a common problem found in your daily routine life. Oil entrapment process is designed using natural substances such as coconut fiber, hair, corn husk, and sugarcane husk. The three main objectives of our project is to determine the best material to trap oil from wash water from kitchen, to determine the best grade of the chosen material to absorb oil, and to create a device that can trap oil from wash water thrown out in the kitchen sink.
To begin with our research, we first carried out an experiment to determine the best material to trap oil from discarded wash water from the kitchen. Firstly, 4 samples of oil absorbents, namely coconut husk, corn husk, sugarcane husk, and hair were prepared. These absorbents were prepared with equal mass. The samples are placed into filter funnels with filter cloth. The sample absorbents are now placed into measuring cylinders. A fixed amount of oil is poured into the measuring cylinders and are left for 18 minutes. According to the results, the corn husk has been able to absorb the most amount of oil and hence is the best oil absorber. Through the experiment, it has been proven that the corn husk is the best oil absorber, followed by the coconut husk. However, it is difficult to obtain the corn husk. Hence, the coconut husk is being chosen. To further our research, we conducted the second experiment to determine the best grade of coconut husk to absorb oil. The coconut husk has 3 grades, namely rough, semi-rough, and fine. The 3 grades of coconut husk absorbent samples are prepared with equal mass. The funnel with sample absorbents are placed into a measuring cylinder with a fixed amount of oil. The cooking oil is prepared separately into 3 sample absorbent funnels. The absorbents are left for 60 minutes to enable the unabsorbed oil to be collected. The results show that fine coconut husk has the ability to absorb the most amount of oil. To conclude the experiment, it is found that fine coconut husk is the best oil absorber as it is able to absorb the highest volume of oil. This is because it has the largest surface area that enables a higher rate of absorption.
As we have discovered the best material and the best grade of the material to absorb oil, we continued by building an oil entrapper model. To build the main structure, which consists of 3 stages of entrapments, few recycled materials are needed. The materials for the first stage entrapper are used cooking oil container, inlet PVC pipe, fine hole plastic plate, fine coconut fiber, and outlet PVC pipe. The materials for the second stage entrapper is just a collector container, which is a used cooking oil container. The materials for the third stage entrapper are a cooking oil container, inlet PVC pipe, fine hole plastic plate, and a fine coconut fiber. We decided to build a single stage entrapper and a multi-stage entrapper. After testing both the entrappers, we found out that the multi-stage entrapper works better as it absorbs more oil. Therefore, we continued the process using the multi-stage entrapper. The entrapper works in such a way that the discharged oil from the sink is passed into stage 1 entrapper through the inlet PVC pipe. Since oil is less denser than water, the remaining oil will now float at the collector container below stage 1 entrapper. When its volume reaches the outlet PVC pipe collector container, which connected to the second stage entrapper, the balance floating oil from collector container will now flow through second stage. From the discharge of oil from the entrapper, we found that out of 3,500 ml of water and 600 ml of oil poured, 500 ml of water is trapped and most importantly 300 ml of oil is trapped. Therefore, this entrapper is definitely a huge success and is proven to trap oil. Thank you.